Take a look at this expression for a second. 7 plus 8 plus 15 divided by 5 times 3. Now, at first glance, what do you notice? 3 different 15s. Yeah, interesting, right? Let's actually follow that instinct for a moment and solve the expression using this very superficial pattern recognition. We already know the parentheses give us 7 plus 8 equals 15. That's the first 15. And we also see another 15 over here. 5 times 3 equals 15. And of course, there's already a 15 sitting in the middle. It's almost like your brain is trying to simplify the expression automatically. Your intuition wants one kind of solution, but mathematical logic wants another. So now the expression looks like 15 plus 15 divided by 15. And at this point, some people even simplify it mentally into 15 plus 1, which gives 16. Seems convincing, right? But that answer is completely wrong. And the reason it's wrong is important. We broke the logic of the expression. We ignored the rules governing the order of operations. And that rule is PEMDAS. So let's solve it properly. First, the parentheses. 7 plus 8 equals 15. Now the expression becomes 15 plus 15 divided by 5 times 3. According to PEMDAS, multiplication and division come next. But here's the subtle part most people misunderstand. Multiplication and division have the same priority, so we solve them from left to right. That means even though multiplication appears later, we must begin with the division because it comes first from the left. So, 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Now the expression becomes 15 plus 3 times 3. Then, 3 times 3 equals 9. And finally, 15 plus 9 equals 24. So the correct answer is 24. Now, let's not waste time. I want to challenge your brain with even harder expressions. And this time, I want your participation. So first, like the video and subscribe to Math Algo if you enjoy this kind of mathematical thinking. And for the next expressions, try to predict the answer before solving it properly. Then write your guess in the comments. All right, here's the next one. -10 times 12 minus 60 divided by 10 times 5. Now this one looks dangerous immediately. A large parentheses, a negative sign, multiple operations. Your brain probably wants to rush, but don't. Look at it carefully first. And before I solve it, comment your answer. Don't worry about being right or wrong. Just commit to an answer. Because the willingness to be wrong is part of learning mathematics. Everyone makes mistakes here. And usually, they make this mistake. They immediately go left to right inside the parentheses without respecting operation priority. So they do 12 minus 60 equals -48. Then, -48 divided by 10 equals -4.8. Then, -4.8 times 5 equals -24. And finally, -10 times -24 equals 240, which is completely wrong. Why? Because the inside of the parentheses is an independent expression that still obeys PEMDAS. So, let's solve it correctly. Inside the parentheses, we have division, multiplication, and subtraction. According to PEMDAS, multiplication and division come before subtraction. And again, multiplication and division are solved left to right. So first, 60 divided by 10 equals 6. Now the expression becomes 12 minus 6 times 5. Next, 6 times 5 equals 30. Now we have 12 minus 30 equals negative 18. So the full expression becomes negative 10 times negative 18.
A negative times a negative gives a positive. So the final answer is 180. Now, tell me honestly, how many of you got that right? And more importantly, how many of you still haven't subscribed to MathAlgo? Come on, hit subscribe and let's move to the next challenge. This next one looks easy, which usually means it's dangerous.
17 plus 3 times 5 plus 5. Now, watch what many people do. They see 17 plus 3 equals 20. Then 5 plus 5 equals 10. And suddenly, 20 times 10 equals 200. But wait, that's wrong too. Again, PEMDAS. Parentheses first. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now the expression becomes 17 plus 3 times 10. What comes next? Multiplication. 3 times 10 equals 30. Now, 17 plus 30 equals 47. And look at the difference. 47 versus 200. That's not a small mistake. That's a completely different reality. If you solved it correctly before I explained it, leave a heart in the comments. Okay, now let's go to the final expression. 4 squared plus 12 divided by 2 times 6. This time there are no parentheses, so according to PEMDAS, we begin with exponents. 4 squared equals 16. Now the expression becomes 16 plus 12 divided by 2 times 6. And this is where people relax too early and make another mistake. Some immediately do 16 plus 12 equals 28. But no. We still follow PEMDAS. Division and multiplication come before addition. And again, they are solved left to right. So first, 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Now the expression becomes 16 plus 6 times 6. Then, 6 times 6 equals 36. And finally, 16 plus 36 equals 52. So the correct answer is 52. Now tell me, did you solve this one correctly without making mistakes? Write your answer in the comments. I genuinely enjoy reading your solutions and thought processes. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to MathAlgo. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to keep making more challenges like this for you. And check out the other MathAlgo videos if you want to keep training your brain and sharpening your mathematical thinking. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.